Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to get going with Auto-GPT. Let's start by creating a folder on our desktop. We'll call it Auto-GPT, one word. That's created. You're going to go to your command prompt and you're going to, just go to your command prompt. You don't have to run out administrator. Open it, cd desktop. Then we're going to cd into the Auto-GPT. Then once in that Auto-GPT folder you created, you'll run the git clone command, which is git clone, then the URL to the GitHub repository. Click that. That's going. Nice. Now you're going to navigate to the actual folder that was created inside of here, which is Auto-GPT. You'll do that by cd Auto-GPT. We're in the proper folder now. Then you're going to run the following commands for the requirements, which is pip install -r requirements.txt. Run that. Okay, installed. Already have mine required. They're already installed on my machine. Yours should say something different, but that's fine. Once that's installed, you're going to navigate back here to your Auto-GPT folder. Find the .env.template file. Rename that to .env. You're going to open that in your favorite text editor. I'm using VS Code. You can use Notepad or anything. Now you're going to add your API keys. You're going to do that by clicking the links in the descriptions or on the GitHub repository. The first one we're going to do is obtain your OpenAI API key, which is located here. Click it. It's going to ask you to create a new security key. You could do this, but it's not going to work unless you add a debit card to it. So first add your banking information to your OpenAI account. This is not the OpenAI Plus account, which is for the online application. This is something different. Just create the new key after you add a card. Once you've created that key, you'll copy it and paste it in the field where it says OpenAI. Then paste that, then go back to your GitHub repository and find the link to set up your Pinecone. That's also it's going to be located in my description. You can create a free account here without adding a debit card. So click create an API key, name it. I'm naming my bot Junior. Create that. Mine's located right here on the bottom, and you're going to replace the environment with this information over here, which should be line 2. Click that, then show key value, copy that, paste here. Now you'll save this file. That's saved. Then you're going to navigate back to the command prompt and run the following command to launch the Python main.py file. And we'll do Python script /main.py. You can just copy that, paste it here. Oops, I didn't copy it. There we go. For time's sakes, I'm just going to run the default one. It's telling me, hey, we're using the Entrepreneur GPT bot or AI, and the role of it is to do this. And you can either say yes or no. If you say no, it's going to prompt you to create a new bot name, define its roles, and set goals for the bot. It's going to give you 5 goals to set, and just set those 5 goals, and you should be good. Hey, if you have any questions, just leave a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please like the video. It helps, and have a good day. Bye.